Hey everybody, so there's supposed to be an owl habitat today. Actually, it started last week, and on my way here, I saw a lot of people with their really expensive cameras. So I'm bringing my cheap used camera with me, so I'm gonna join them. I don't know any one of them, but I just wanna experience the same thing too. Hopefully, I'll spot an owl today too. I was here the other day, and they all they was disappointed because they couldn't find an owl. Now today, there's a lot of people standing in one spot. Hopefully, there's an owl there. So I'm gonna ask them where to point my camera. All right. You know what? You know what would be awesome if this video goes viral, so I can afford to buy a expensive lens like the $5,000, $10,000 lens. But probably won't spend it on the lens though. Probably buy a food. Alright, pay off my debt too. Alright, so hey, hopefully this goes viral. See, there are people there with their cameras pointing there somewhere. They must have spotted it out there, or still looking for it. I think there's an owl. It looks like an owl.
This way, dude.
It's shy. Here's the owl. Sorry, I don't have a tripod.